Okay, looking at this problem and the answer choices, they gave you a table, they gave you some answer choices that are equations. I know that I'm going to have to do the quadratic regression. So write it down. Quadratic regression. Equation, okay? So we're going to use y1 approximately m, no, it's not m. It's a x1 squared plus bx1 plus c. Remember, those are ones. So I'm going to help you with it. You should have been practicing already by now. We're going to go ahead and type this table in Desmos. We're going to type this equation. It's going to give us the a, the b, and the c. And then we're going to be able to look for it here. This is a, this is c. This is A, B, C. This is A, this is C. This is A, B, C. So we're looking for the A, the B, and the C. Let's type it in Desmos right now. Okay, so here's my Desmos. I'm going to press the add button because I want to add a table. And I'm going to start typing my numbers in there. You can always use this keyboard if you want to. 5, enter, 10, enter. 15, enter, 20, enter, 25, enter, 30, and 35. And then on the other side, you're going to type these numbers in, but do not put commas. It's going to mess it up. So 1, 3, 5, 3, enter, 2, 4, 6, 0, enter. I'm not going to give you the answer, so make sure that you're typing it in your calculator. 3, 3, 2, 3, enter. 3, 9, 4, 0, enter. 4, 3, 1, 3. 4, 4, 4, 0. And 4, 3, 2, 3. Okay? Then once you have your table in there, you need to type the equation, the quadratic regression. So y and the number 1 approximately is the little squiggly line on top of the number 1 in your keyboard, or you can find it right here. Approximately a x, the number 1 squared, plus b x 1. Let me move this up so it doesn't give you the answer. Plus the letter c. Okay? Once you type it exactly like that, at the bottom, you're going to see A, B, and C. Okay? So match it over here with what the answer would be. Okay? Match these A, B, C's with whatever this gave you down here. I'm not going to move it down. You put it in yours and go find the answer.